reshape the ground.
Prepared clay waits for transport.
Timing keeps the factory alive.
Raw earth travels miles before it earns a new form.
Order keeps chaos away. Every centimeter matters. Raw material now enters controlled hands.
Consistency is engineered here. Uniformity is non-negotiable. Pressure gives clay its direction. Strength begins under force.
The bricks form.
Precision waits for its moment.
Human eyes protect machine work. This is where clay becomes permanent. Balance prevents fractures. Clay has become stone.